Hey, space travelers, welcome back to hellospace, where we decode the cosmos and bring the universe closer to you. Today's journey? We're heading beyond Earth's orbit, into the future of space tourism, not just touching the edge of space. We're talking moon hotels, Mars vacations, and maybe even Jupiter flyby someday. Buckle up. This is going to be an exciting ride. 1. Space tourism today. Let's start with where we are right now. In the last few years, space tourism has finally taken off literally. Companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX have already sent civilians into space. You've probably seen the headlines. Billionaires floating in zero gravity. Tourists snapping selfies above Earth's curve, and commercial rockets returning like sci-fi magic. But so far, these trips only reach low Earth orbit or just beyond. They're short, they're expensive, and they're more like cosmic roller coaster rides. So the big question is, what's next? Second, what beyond Earth's orbit really means. When we talk about going beyond Earth's orbit, we mean heading into deep space beyond the protective bubble of Earth's gravity. We're talking about space tourism that includes orbiting or landing on the moon, traveling to Mars, visiting space stations or hotels in deep space, and in the far future, maybe even interplanetary, cruises to the asteroid belt or moons of Jupiter. That's no longer science fiction. That's the roadmap. 3. Next stop, the moon. The moon is the most realistic next step. It's relatively close, just 3 days away, and we already know how to get there. NASA's Artemis program is planning to land astronauts on the moon again by the mid-2020s. Meanwhile, SpaceX is working on Starship, which could carry up to 100 people into space, including space tourists. Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa already booked a private flight around the moon with SpaceX called dearMoon, and he's taking artists and creatives with him. In the next decade, we could actually see lunar orbit hotels, luxury moon base stays, and maybe even surface excursions for paying customers. Just imagine watching Earth rise over the moon's horizon through your hotel window. Wild, right? 4. Mars, the red dream. But beyond the moon lies the big dream. Mars is a totally different beast. It's 140 million miles away, and getting there could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months one way. That's not a quick trip, that's an expedition. But Elon Musk wants humans on Mars within our lifetime, not just to visit, but to stay. Tourism to Mars could mean living in underground habitats to avoid radiation, wearing spacesuits 24/7, growing your own food in hydroponic farms, and staying on Mars for years, not days. Sounds intense? It is, but for those craving the ultimate adventure, this could be the future of high-end tourism. 5. Challenges and breakthroughs. Of course, space tourism beyond Earth's orbit comes with major challenges. Radiation exposure in deep space, psychological stress from isolation, life support, and sustainable living off Earth. And let's not forget the cost. Right now, a seat to the edge of space can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Trips to the moon or Mars, try tens of millions. But over time, just like air travel in the 20th century, prices will go down as technology improves and demand increases. New innovations like nuclear-powered propulsion, artificial gravity, and space manufacturing are already being developed to make this future possible. 6. A whole new industry. Let's think bigger. The future of space tourism could create entire space economies, thousands of new jobs, global partnerships, and space law agreements, and brand new industries in space hospitality, health, and entertainment. One day, a space vacation might be as normal as a cruise or safari is today. So, what's the future of space tourism beyond Earth's orbit? It's bold, it's risky, it's revolutionary, and it's coming maybe faster than we think. The next great frontier won't just be explored by astronauts, but by you, me, and the next generation of space dreamers. Because the future isn't just above us, it's waiting out there, Thanks for watching Hello Space. If you loved this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cosmos. Drop a comment. Would you go on a trip to the moon or Mars if you had the chance? Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your heart in orbit. This is Hello Space signing off.